Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and create an account on your TradingView on your mobile device. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. First things first, simply go ahead and open App Store on your mobile device, and on the bottom tap on the search bar and search for TradingView just like that. Once you've done that, simply tap on this application right over here, simply download it and install it onto your device, and simply go ahead and tap on open. Once you've done that, you're going to be on this page right over here where you can actually live see what the market is doing. However, you're going to simply go ahead and tap on this menu right over here on the bottom right of the screen, and now in order for you to sign up, you just go ahead to tap on sign in, and now on the bottom there is a sign up button. Simply tap on that. Once you've done that, you can either sign up with Apple, Google, or email. So whatever you prefer, simply go ahead and do that. Enter your email, username, password, and click on create account, and your account should be ready. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button, and I'll see you on the next.